Stir-fry basics, a flavorful journey in cooking. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the culinary world by diving into the basics of stir-fry. Stir-frying is a popular cooking technique, especially in Asian cuisines. It's fast, versatile, and a great way to cook a healthy meal. Let's get started and learn not only about cooking but also enrich our English vocabulary. Stir-frying is a cooking method where ingredients are fried in a small amount of very hot oil while being stirred in a wok. This technique originated in China and quickly spread across Asia because it's a simple and quick way to prepare food. In English, the term stir-fry is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to the dish itself, and as a verb, it describes the process of cooking it. To make a stir-fry, you need a few key ingredients and tools. 1. Wok, a large, bowl-shaped pan used for stir-frying. Its shape allows for easy stirring and tossing of ingredients. 2. Oil. A high smoke point oil like peanut or canola oil is ideal for stir-frying. 3. Fresh ingredients, typically a combination of vegetables and proteins like chicken, beef, or tofu. 4. Sauces and spices, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fresh spices like garlic and ginger add flavor to the dish. Stir-frying is a quick process, usually taking less than 15 minutes. Here's how it's done. 1. Heat the wok. First, heat the wok over high heat and add oil. 2. Cook the protein. Add your protein, chicken, beef, tofu, and cook it until it's almost done. Then remove it from the wok. 3. Stir-fry vegetables. Add vegetables to the wok and stir-fry them. Vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and broccoli are popular choices. 4. Combine and season. Return the protein to the wok, add your sauces and spices, and stir everything together until well mixed. Stir-fry is not just a cooking method but a reflection of cultural diversity. Each region has its unique take on this dish, using local ingredients and flavors. For example, in Thailand, you might find a stir-fry with basil and chili, while a Chinese version might feature hoisin sauce and bamboo shoots. That's a wrap on our stir-fry basics. I hope this video has been both informative and helpful in understanding this fantastic cooking technique and some new English phrases. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.